Microsoft's bold move. Windows 11 25H2 rolls out amidst controversy and technical challenges. Published December 8, 2025. By Aminu Abdullahi. Disclaimer. We may earn commissions from vendors through affiliate links or sponsorships. While this may influence product placement on our site, it does not affect the integrity of our reviews. For more details, see our terms of use. https://www.techrepublic.com/terms-conditions. Here's the kicker. Microsoft is pushing Windows 11 25H2 to all eligible PCs. But is this the right move amidst a wave of reported Windows issues? And this is the part most people miss. While the update promises extended support, it's also sparking debates about timing, user control, and lingering bugs. Let's dive in. The big push. Windows 11 25H2 goes live. With the end of support for Windows 10, Microsoft is doubling down on its efforts to migrate users to Windows 11. The latest feature update, Windows 11 version 25H2, is now available for all PCs meeting the required hardware specifications. For those still on Windows 10 or an older version of Windows 11, the upgrade can be initiated manually. Here's how: navigate to Settings, Windows Update, then click Check for Updates. If your device is eligible, you'll see the option to download and install Windows 11 25H2 directly. Pro tip: to ensure you receive updates promptly, make sure the Get the Latest Updates as soon as they're available toggle is enabled in your Windows Update settings. Learn more about Windows Update settings here. https://www.techrepublic.com/articles/news-windows-quality-updates-out-of-the box. But here's where it gets controversial. Automatic rollout. A double-edged sword? In addition to manual updates, Microsoft has begun an intelligent rollout for select users. Using machine learning, the company is automatically upgrading devices running the Home and Pro editions of Windows 11 version 24H2 that aren't managed by IT departments. This process is gradual, with updates downloading in the background. Users retain control over installation, choosing whether to restart their device immediately or postpone the update. While this hands-off approach aims to streamline adoption, it raises questions about user autonomy. Is Microsoft overstepping by deciding when and how users upgrade? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Lingering bugs. A cause for concern? The timing of this rollout coincides with a surge in reported Windows issues. NeoWin recently highlighted shell and UI glitches affecting the Start menu, taskbar, and File Explorer, particularly on enterprise systems. Meanwhile, Forbes flagged warnings from Windows latest about installation errors, e.g. 0x80070306, and compatibility issues with File Explorer's dark mode and Intel Arc GPU drivers. Microsoft has acknowledged these problems and claims to be working on fixes, but no timeline has been provided. For home users, resolutions depend on future cumulative patches, while managed business PCs rely on IT support. Is Microsoft moving too fast with this rollout? Or is this a necessary step to unify its user base? The adoption puzzle. Why now? The push for Windows 11 25H2 comes amidst sluggish adoption rates. Forbes previously reported that up to 500 million devices capable of running Windows 11 remain on Windows 10, despite its end of support. This hesitation stems from factors like ongoing bugs and frustration over Microsoft's increasing reliance on AI features within Windows. Read more about AI criticisms here. https://www.techrepublic.com/articles/news-windows-AI-critics. Windows 11 25H2 isn't a major overhaul. It's a minor update that extends support until October 12, 2027. This makes it a practical choice for users seeking longer support, without waiting for the more substantial 26H2 release next year. Bold question. Is Microsoft's focus on AI and security upgrades, like those cited in the upcoming Microsoft 365 and Office 365 price hikes in July 2026, worth the cost and potential growing pains? Final thoughts. Microsoft's rollout of Windows 11 25H2 is a strategic move to unify its user base, but it's not without challenges. As the company navigates technical issues and user concerns, the question remains: Will this update accelerate adoption, or will it deepen existing frustrations? Share your thoughts below. We're eager to hear your perspective.